Association is a very formal word for my friendship with Gaurav that goes back many, many years, from when we shot for Tum Mile, and we did wonderful shoots. We had an opportunity to go to Cape Town, and he took beautiful pictures of me and the film. And I liked them so much that after that we've done many portfolio shoots and shoots for various ads and endorsements together. And I've always liked the way that he's shot me. I'm very particular. I think I've not always liked the way that people shoot me, but I think that he is sensitive and he makes you feel comfortable and he takes care of your angles and he is friendly. So I've always enjoyed him as a person. He's a lovely person as well. And I'm very happy that he's doing so well, and I'm very happy that he's invited me to inaugurate this beautiful exhibition that he's done, which really captures and brings alive the spirit of the woman. And he's got 12 incredible personalities who are showcased behind us. So congratulations.
Thank you.
तो आप तो बहुत खूबसूरत लगी रही हैं. आपके अलावा और 11 में से आपको कौन अच्छी लग रही हैं?
मुझे तो अभी मौका भी नहीं मिला है ठीक से देखने का. सबसे पहले obviously since Gaurav has shot them all, I'm sure that they all look beautiful. Sridevi is one of my favorite actors of all time, and this was a beautiful film, and I think it's a lovely moment that Gaurav has captured. Deepika looks stunning in every photograph, so nothing special there. And who else?
I would like to interrupt. It's not about what I capture. It's about I love to work with people who are really they have heart of gold. Especially this person standing right next to me, this personality, Soha Ali Khan she really has that heart of gold, and I really admire her for who she is. Someday probably I will be as good a person that she is.
No, probably not.
And so all of these people make me good in my work, and
Thank you. Thank you.
What 5 essential things that you have
in my wardrobe? A pair of jeans that fit you well, a nice cocktail dress, preferably black, which is quite a versatile color. I would say underwear that fits well is also very important. Comfortable shoes. I like wearing heels because I'm vertically challenged, but they should be comfortable as well. And yoga pants. I live in yoga pants.
So talking about your movies, 31st October is there, but you also star in Thailand. So
Yes.
what do you want to say about that?
I don't say very much about it at all because I don't know how much I'm supposed to say. But I do play the role of a doctor, and it is an intense film. It's action-packed, and they've got incredible action sequences. So mainly, of course, it's an action film. I think it's a genuine sequel to the first part, Ghayal, which I saw and loved. And Sunny Sir is, of course, directing it, and it's quite a privilege to be directed by him.
Okay, talking about action, are you doing some action stunts or something? Can we see that?
I'm involved in some action. I'm not doing some stunts, but I do get to try to be the hero for one scene. And I remember that's what he said to me. He said, "Today you're the hero." And I was shivering. And I got bruises as well. Look, I got bruised. And it was intense. I stayed in bed the whole of the next day after that sequence.
What was the overall experience? It was like
It's still ongoing, the experience, we're still shooting. And it's been, I would say, one of the most challenging roles I've done to date. Just the experience of working on this film. But I'm really excited about it and I'm looking forward to the release.
Would you like to host a show based on fashion, like a reality show based on fashion?
I have hosted a show based on fashion called What Not to Wear, which I would love to do again. Aki and I hosted it together and it was great fun.
So how would you like to comment on...
Probably not. When questions like that, they make me scared. Is it anything to do with the exhibition?
No, yes. it
Okay,
is.
then
I
yes.
just wanted to know your comments on your picture. What
Oh,
do you
okay.
think,
That's easy.
What do you think it brings out?
I think that it really captures my personality because I'm quite a quiet person, and it's got a serenity about it, I think, the photograph. So I like that very much. I think I would like to think that there's a quiet confidence about it and there's an innate elegance about it. I just think it's beautiful. I think, everything that I like about myself, my eyes, everything looks nice. The tone of the skin, it's a very peaceful picture.
So you call yourself a trendsetter or a trend follower?
I would definitely not call myself a trend follower, and I have no aspirations to be a trendsetter. I am very comfortable wearing the clothes that I wear, and I really, no, I don't want to be either.
So give you a chance, would you like to prefer having home clothes like pajamas and all, or a cocktail thing like?
Well, last weekend I went to sleep in my pajamas, and I woke up and stayed in my pajamas all day, and then I went to sleep in the same pajamas. So my day clothes have become my night clothes, have become my day clothes, which I think, and it was one of the best weekends I've had in my life.